And today we'll be making Halloween cookies and cream white chocolate bombs. So let's get started. Let's go. First step, you have to use some chocolate. You use white chocolate to make ghosts, mummies, skeleton. But if you want to make a pumpkin, you always could use orange chocolate melt. And when you got your choice of color, just melt it. And you always could use the Wilton chocolate melter. Or you could just melt it in the microwave. But I think the Wilton chocolate pot will help much better. We already have these done, and we're just gonna fix up the edges because they're a little thin. So we got to fix. I'm gonna be doing a ghost and a skeleton right now. Don't leave this video because it's gonna be real cool. We're gonna have some cool mugs. Real cool mugs. I'll just clean that up. So our chocolate has set, and we got a lot of toppings, and we got some marshmallow fluff, and we also chased it on just a flat piece of white chocolate so you could seal it, just like the skull crushers in our first Halloween video. Go to check that out. And if you want a full recipe, it will be in the description box down below. And while we were doing it, we made these little bats. All you need is Oreos and little candy eyes. You need little Oreos and big Oreos. And the face you use for a little Oreo. And we used the big Oreo, cut it in half, then used it for the wings. They're so cute. Fly, fly, fly. And then after we make all of our other stuff, the bats are gonna fly right into the drink. It's not any ordinary drink, it's hot chocolate. And hot chocolate is usually for Christmas, but why not also use it for Halloween? For the ghost and the skeleton head, we're gonna put some marshmallow fluff. But for the mummies, we are going to use these tiny little marshmallows. And also, these are spoons, shovel spoons. We made this mixture, and when you put these inside, the chocolate will melt. Let's open the fluff. Let's start with these. Okay, so I'm gonna use one of the spoon shovels and then I'm gonna scoop it in. I'm gonna try some of this fluff. I'm gonna add some of this dirt / Oreo crumbs. Oh man. This is epic. I'm also gonna put some of this Halloween sprinkles in. Now this is gonna be a blast. Oh, this is gonna be good. I'm gonna put some marshmallows into the mummy. I'm gonna use these tiny marshmallows because if you use the big ones, they won't fit. Sprinkle time. Now I'm done my mummy and my skeleton head. Yes, I'm done. And now we have to seal it with the backing. So like the backing is like the chocolate piece that you put on, and then you have a mummy. So we have this plate that is usually for meat, and underneath it we put some hot water, and this time we're using it for chocolate, so you just want to press against that. But if you don't have this, you could just put a plate in the microwave for 45 seconds. So you just take the flat piece of chocolate and press it against it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 16. Oh, it's melting. Oh my god. Okay, then we just have to take the side and glue it. Maybe, Victoria, we might have no, it's flexible. We might have to press against it a little longer just to see. So I'm running my fingers to seal it because the chocolate is half melted. And you might want to do this carefully because your hand could be warm sometimes, then it could melt the face. So you have to be careful with that. So we are back with our steaming hot milk and with our chocolate. It took a long time. We had to put them in the freezer. What we should have done was put the body part, not the flat part, against that hot tray. Then put in the filling. Then attach it with the flat part. For the milk, we just use vanilla milk, hot milk. Yep. And also some white chocolate. The same thing as this. I'm gonna choose the mummy. I'm gonna choose the ghost. Put it inside a cup. Make sure you have adult supervision after you boil the milk. Wait for it. I think you have to add more milk. Or should we say hot cocoa? I hope it's gonna work. Oh! See that, guys? Oh, look at that, guy. It is color changing. It lost the eyeball. My turn now. Yay! Oh, look, that's the fluff. It's also mixed in with the white chocolate. I think this is my favorite video of our Halloween ones. Wait, the marshmallows are coming out, I think. Oh, my mug! It has a face on it now. If you guys didn't know, we got these super cool mugs. And when there's not anything hot in it, it's just plain black. But when there's like something hot in it, it has a face. They're super cool. Okay, I'm gonna try. Right now, I'm just gonna wait for this to cool down. It's really hot. Is it hot? That's good. It's like a wheel of cocoa should be. Oopsies, I left the bat out. Coming to the party. Yep. Oh my god, just look at the eyeballs. It's so creepy in there. Definitely try out this recipe. It's really fun to make with your family. Have some fun time in the kitchen. This is good. When the chocolate bursts, the marshmallows are supposed to float up. Some did, but overall it's still pretty cool. I guess sometimes you want it that way, but it's not always like it. I'm gonna try some of the Oreos. Oh, these are good. It's the end of the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Bye! Have a spectacular Halloween.